Welcome class 3rd. Today we will start a new chapter, tenses. So how we can understand tenses? We can write it time plus senses. Tenses means time plus senses. It means sense of time. Sense of time. So firstly here we will read this, then we will understand what is tense. In ancient time, people used to cover long distance in bullock cart or on horseback. So in old time, people were using what? Bullock cart and horse for moving from one place to another place. But nowadays, faster and more comfortable means of transportation like cars, buses, metros, trains and aeroplanes are available. So in ancient time, in old time, we were using bullock cart and horse, and now this time we are using metro, train, car, buses, etc. So the time which have already passed is a tense, past time, or what is the tense? Past tense. But the time which is going on here, that is called present tense. Present tense. In past, people sent letter telegrams to communicate. Okay, so in the old time we were sending letter and telegram for talking to someone, but nowadays we use email, cell phone, etc. So everyone, open your English second copy and write today's date, lesson number and lesson name, tenses. So the action that happens in the past, the work, the thing which is already happened, that is referred to the past tense. For example, people used bullock cart and horses to travel. Now next is present tense, is used for the things which are happening and situations. So if the work is happening now, this is refers to the present tense. And one more tense is there, future tense. It means the things which is going to happen, which we don't know. So three tenses are there: past tense, present tense and future tense. So she is playing badminton, so this is present tense. She was playing badminton, it is past tense. Now move to page number 56. Write true and false. In ancient India, people used bullock cart and horses to travel from one place to another. True. Do in a book. In modern time, they used bullock cart and horses. False. In modern time, we are not using this. People now use fast and comfortable means of transport. Yes. True. People in the past communicated with people at distance place through telegram. True. In the past we were using telegram. Now people communicate with the people at far off places through email and telephones. Yes, true. Today we are using emails and cell phones. Next is exercise, page number 57. You will do this one with yourself in book. Here you have to write what your mama was doing when she was a kid. Okay, the help box is given and write it. Now this you will do in your copy. After writing the definition, then you will do this exercise. Write three activities are given in a picture using ing with the words. So these are the pictures also you will draw, and when you will draw picture, in front of the picture you will write sentences by using ing in the word of action word. First, the boy is going, he is going or returning. I think he is returning from the boy is returning, returning from the school. Next, this boy is tearing the page. The boy is tearing the pages. Next, this is boy and girl are playing football. The boy and the girl are playing football. So do in your copy. Now the next exercise is match the following. So you are not going to match, you will write the correct answer in front of the given word. Okay, so these action words are in present tense. Here we will write present tense, and these are in past tense. Don't match. Are, what is the present tense of are? Sorry, past tense, were. WERE. Here you will write present tense, here you will write past tense, then you will write are, okay, in present tense, and were in past tense. Buy, bought. In front of this you will write bought. Sell, sold. Play, played. Cry, cried. Okay, think, thought. Draw, drew. Paint, painted. Sleep, slept. Sweep, swept. See, saw. Jump, jumped. So like this you will do. Here write present tense, then these words you will write, then here you will write past tense, then these which I have written in front of the given words you will write here like this. So do this work in your copy, in your notebook, after completing this picture work. Thank you.